Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Apple Intelligence Update very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to go to settings and then you have to go to general, click on software update, and like other system updates, if there is an intelligence update it will show up here. However, if there's no intelligence update and you are sure there's an intelligence update, you can go to the Apple website. You can just search for Apple Intelligence Update download and you can just go here and download it from the developer.apple.com website. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. You can just download it from this website. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.